Hi, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to forcefully shut down any program on Windows. I am showing you this on Windows 11, but it should be the same for all Windows. So the first step is to open up your Start menu and type Task Manager. Click on the Task Manager option. This will open up a new tab, and here you can see all your programs that are currently running. You can also see a lot of background processes that automatically start up with Windows. So I will open up Photoshop to show you. As you can see, it pops up here as apps that are currently running. Now let's forcefully shut it down. Right-click on the program and select End Task. And that's it. I will show you an ever faster way now. Right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. You can now access the Task Manager even faster. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Fix It for more tutorials.